everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Arabella Hair again. They sent me over this reddish purple brown straight bob. It's bobbing. Yes, it's bobbing. Yes, it's 12 inches and it was so easy to put in, y'all. It literally took me like 6 minutes. I just had to take the kinks out. She is laying flat. She's so flat to my big old head too. I love it. It's the perfect amount of density. Do you see, like, do you guys just, it's just fabulous. It feels just so luxurious and sleek. It's giving fresh silk press, okay? Yes, yes, I freaking love this. If you guys want to see me put this hair in real quick and see what you get when you purchase this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so we have an Arabella wig today. All right, so you get this little baggie, edge wrap, lashes, baby hair brush, a cute little clip, a little, what's it called, a little pearl clip, of course, wig caps. Inside, your wig will look like this in the plastic. So the wig we are working with today is a reddish purple 12-inch with bangs straight bob. I don't have to work with no lace or nothing on here. This is what the top piece is looking like. The wig construction looks like so. You've got 3 combs and a elastic band and some adjustable straps as well. So this should be pretty easy. The hair feels really good, nice and light. Got some good movement in here. Yes. So I'm gonna put this on real quick. This should be a real quick install. I'm gonna put this on real quick, run the straightener through it, and give you my final thoughts on this. But yes, it looks good. I like these blunt ends too. It looks good. It's definitely giving tangle free for sure. But yeah, she looks good. All right, let's go ahead and put this on real quick. That was so That's it. That was so fast. This is the wig. All I had to do was go in and bump it. As you saw, it only took me like 5 minutes to bump it. The hair, look how good the hair feels. Like, it feels so nice and luxurious. This is a reddish purple straight bob with the bangs. Don't forget the bangs. It's 12 inches. It is bone straight. It's giving fresh silk press, okay? It's giving fresh silk press. Like, you can't. Stop. It looks so good. So good, so easy. Now that I bumped it, next time I want to put it on, all I have to do is just put her right on, and I know that she'll be ready to go. Look at this, y'all. She's so cute. Okay. All right, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Make sure you guys check out the description box for the discount code as well. Direct link will be in there. Everything you need to know in the description box. Please drop a comment below and tell me how you guys feel about this wig, y'all. She's so cute. Yes, she's a star, and I love this color. This reddish purple color is, yes. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.